Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the formula for fine horsepower. Uh, 746 watts times horsepower, example 30 horsepower, over 1000 watts is equal to kilowatts rating. Where 1 horsepower or HP is equal to 746 watts. Power 1 kilowatts is equal to 1000 watts. Or given I is current or amperes is equal to 108 amperes. Voltage supply is equal to 200 volts, 220 volts. Horsepower is equal to unknown. Solve. HP is equal to I times E, current times voltage, over 746 watts. Yung current natin is 108 amperes times 220 volts yung voltage supply, divide by 460 watt. 460 watts is 1 HP. HP is equal to 108 times 220 volts is equal to 760 power or watts over 740 watts. Cancel. Divide 23 divide 760 divided by 746 is equal to HP is 30 horsepower. Formula for fine and amperes. Given 30 horsepower and voltage is 220 volts, amperes is unknown. Formula I or current or amperes is equal to 746 times 300 horsepower or 30 horsepower motor, divide by 220 volts. 7 volts is this one is E, symbol for E. 746 times 30 horsepower divided by E is equal to 746 watts times 30 horsepower divided by 220 volts is equal to 380 volts divided by 220 volts is equal to 101.75 amperes. That is the current. Formula for find a voltage. Given horsepower is 30, I or amperes is equal to 101.7 amperes, voltage is or E is equal to unknown. Formula E is equal to 746 is 1 horsepower watts times HP motor, divided by I is current. 746 watts times 30 horsepower over 101.7 amperes. 746 times 30 is 22,380 volts power, divided by 101.7 amperes is equal to voltage is equal to 220 volts. Bible verse of the day. Revelation 12 verse 9. And the great dragon was cast out, that old serpent called the devil and Satan, which deceiveth the whole world. he was cast out into the earth, and his angels were cast out with him. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.